Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This hull color is light blue with the chrome graphics, powered by a white Mercury 400 Verado engine. This boat does have underwater lights. As we come through the walkthrough transom, see a very large aft seat. Also folds down. Here you'll have a live well, sink prep station, Yeti cooler. Come over here on the port side, you'll see the very popular swim patio option. Moving on forward, nice helm seat with flip-up bolsters. Here at the helm, you'll see this boat has a Raymarine GPS fish finder, Raymarine VHF radio, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, trim tabs with indicator. This is digital throttle shift, and also tilt wheel steering. Here you'll see a very spacious head area. And as we move forward, you'll see a huge garage storage area with storage buckets and lockable rod holder space. Push down, and then you've got a seat. Here in the bow, pop-up seats. There are fish boxes underneath the seats as well. And this does have the anchor windlass option. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.